Hi everyone, Fritz here. In today's video, we're going to go over your endospore stain. Your endospore stain is used to determine whether or not the bacteria that you're observing has an endospore or not. The endospore, which is made of keratin, has a heat and chemical resistance to it. This actually makes it very difficult to stain, so we have to use higher than normal temps. So we're going to use a process very similar to our acid-fast stain, in which we use a water bath with a screen on it in order to heat the slide as we stain it with the primary stain. Now the primary stain here that we're using is called malachite green. Malachite green has a very low affinity for the vegetative cell, but has a higher affinity for the endospore. But malachite green is a carcinogen, so when you're handling it, use extreme caution that you don't get any on your hands. You definitely want to use gloves for this lab, and if you get any in your water bath at all, make sure to dispose of that water properly. So the first thing that you want to do is prepare your water bath. As your water bath is preparing, you'll want to heat fix the bacteria onto the slide. Then you'll want to add a piece of bibulous paper on top of the slide. Then you can add your primary stain on top of the slide as it rests on the screen on the water bath. Again, malachite green is a carcinogen and you want to be very careful when you're handling it. Then, once the appropriate amount of time has elapsed, go ahead and remove the bibulous paper and the slide from atop of the water bath. Then wash off the slide and then apply your counter stain, which is safranin. Then once the appropriate amount of time has elapsed, go ahead and wash off the safranin and then observe the slide under oil immersion. Now the cool thing here is that you'll observe 1 to 3 different things once you have the slide under oil immersion. You'll observe this green circle or oval shape here with projections coming out that are pink. Now, this green circle here may not always be in the center. It might be near the end, or it might be somewhere in between the center and the end. Now, this green circle here is actually our endospore, and these pink projections are the vegetative bacteria itself. As we stated before, malachite green has a very low affinity for the bacteria. So during our washing procedure, all the malachite green is removed from the bacteria. And then when we add our counter stain of safranin, the bacteria is free to take it up. On the other hand, malachite green, which has a higher affinity for the endospore, especially when we're forcing it in with the heat, is actually allowed to be retained by the endospore when we remove it from the water bath and it's cooled down and then rinsed with water. Water on its own will not be able to remove malachite green from the endospore. Now these are the 3 positions that your bacteria could have, called central, terminal, and subterminal. Subterminal can be a little bit tricky, especially when it gets very close to the edge. So on test day, expect to be tested by your lab professor on something that is either central or terminal. But you will also want to note what something that is subterminal looks like. So on test day, you could be expected to be asked a certain question, such as, what is the difference, or is there even a difference, between the endospore locations of subterminal, central, and terminal? And here are some other questions that you can be expected on test day. Now feel free to leave the answers to those questions down in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. And don't forget to check the description for additional study materials. And feel free to leave any other questions you have in the comment section below. And I'll see all of you in the next one.